Okay, hello everyone, Goodison Gamer here and welcome to Up and Down. This is a driving game from 1984. It came out in the arcades 1 year earlier than that. So let's go back to this ugly menu here. So easy, medium and hard, 1 or 2 players. Of course easy and 1 player. So this game was ported over to a lot of different systems. I'm going to take a look at the Commodore 64 version here. So yeah, let's see if we can take a look at on the manual as well. It would be cool. So let's see how it plays in the manual. Okay, let's take a look at the manual here. Well, look how cute and how happy this little Volkswagen is, or buggy or whatever it is. Look at his smile here. Oh, so happy to drive in this game here. Okay, so here we have easy, medium, hard, difficult levels. You can of course use your keyboard if you want to, A, Z, J, and K, or your controller or joystick, whatever you're using. Here is the Baja Bugger, is it called? Okay. So here, let's go scoring. Okay, so here you can say, take a look at collect the flag, 100 points, collect balloons, 600 points, collect ice cream cones, 600 points, collect a hat, 600, jump on opponents, 400 points, and there is also a time, like a time limit bonus here. If you finish one level 29 seconds or below, you have reward 20,000 points, and the minimum is 69 seconds. Between 60 and 69 seconds, 1,000 points. So there you go, that was the manual. Okay, let's see the game now, shall we? Okay, let's play the game, shall we? Okay, let's start the game here. So, my objective is to go uphill here in this ugly red car here, to soundtrack to this horrendous music. One here go insane listening to this, I believe. So here, and that will happen. You explode if you touch another car. My flags is up there. They turn white when I have collected them, and I can jump on the car like that. It gives me 400 points, like you said, everyone saw in the menu. No, not in the menu, in the manual. So I need to decrease my speed here, because I cannot just jump like a lunatic here. I have to time my jumps, because if I jump off course, I will explode. So it's very picky little game. So there's okay, now I need to jump. I missed that. Oh shit. Oh, oops, I was lucky there. There you go. Give me. No, I missed it. And I can of course go downhill, but I cannot jump when I go downhill, so I'm missing a lot of flags here, but I believe they will show up later on. So I can try go this way. Oh shit, I lost speed there. Ah, push it. Okay. Oh no, shit. Oh. So I mean, it's a kind of cool game actually, I must say. Oh! I lose the speed. If they touch me, the other car, if they touch me, they will explode. So I have 2 cars left, I think. It says there up and to the right there, beneath the up and down logo. So okay. So I mean, okay, like I said, it's a little bit of an addictive game. It has some frustration to it, elements. Oops, like that. Shoo-hoo. I should try to finish at least 1 level. I don't know how many there are. Here. Let's go up this way here. And let's see if we can at least finish. Haha. Oh, there is one. Okay, let's go down here and hope I will not run into traffic. So there you go. Oh shit! Ah! I was surprised there by that car. That vehicle. I should try once again here because it's my last life here. And try to focus a little bit better. And I will take a look at some other version after this one as well to see how it plays. Okay, now this was game over. Okay, let's try to finish now at least one level here, and should try to be a little bit focused here, not fool around. Can we get out of here? Yes, let's start over. Okay, here we go. There is one flag, one flag. There is another, it's a grey flag. Let's take it easy here. Let's jump on that car. Bye bye. So I wonder if this horrendous tone change in other levels. I really hope so, because this is... I would say that Sevius is even more... Sevius, that shoot 'em up game, is even more frustrating than this tone. But this is a close second. Let's go down here. No. Okay. No, it's a little bit steep there, so I could not... Shit, I'm missing a lot of flags here. Oops, shit. Okay, I should try to just have caution here. Oh shit. Come on, push it, push it, push it. I'm missing a lot of flags. Ah! So it's all the way back to the beginning. But I don't have to take all the flags once again. That's always something. But I should have go left there, because I think there are flags there, but I timed my jump badly there. Let's go up here. There is another flag, thank you. And there is one more thing, I think, up here. No, that. There is a green one, thank you. Now I have only two left. No, come on! It was so picky. I just touched the green with the little bit of my car. How can it be so picky? Ah, there is another flag. I needed that flag there. Looks, I'm going insane here with this tune. Ah, there is another flag there. Let's take this road. Ooh! Yes. Oh no! Ah, I have only one flag to go. Two flags, sorry. Okay, let's go up here. Ugh. There is one flag. Now I need one brown flag. Just to finish this crazy level. This need to decrease the speed. Ooh. Oh shit, here comes another, this, whatever it is. Another one. Shit. Come on, decrease the speed. Come on, what happened there? I didn't see it was going downhill there. Oh shit. I need a brown flag. Come on, show yourself. Don't fuck around now. Can I please have this one? Where am I doomed to be a miserable bastard today? Oh! But come on, for fuck's sake, there is so much traffic. Come on, I know there is a flag somewhere here. Oh shit! Oh my god! Let's go this way. Haha! There is a bridge. There is. Yes! Oh, I made one level. It took me 3 minutes, so no bonus for me. No even 1000 points, because I'm suck at this game. So now I should collect these balloons here, like everyone saw in the menu. And I collided immediately. There is one. There is a flag. Oh shit. There is another flag. Okay, decrease the speed. Let's go. Come on. Ah. Game over. Okay, let's leave it there. We have seen one level. It's an okay game. I must say it can be frustrating from time to time, but I mean it's kind of it's an average game. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. It's slightly above average. 6 out of 10 for this version on the Commodore 64. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Like always, have a good one. Goodbye.